Okay, so today I'm going to talk to you about how to set up and get into a virtual classroom. So you will log into D2L with your child, and they will have their various D2L courses listed here. So you click on the one that you want to go to. So I'm using Language Arts as an example today. And you simply click on this icon that says Virtual Classroom. So when you do that, it will take you into a list of meetings, or it should take you into a list of meetings depending on the day. So, and you can see here the date. So your schedule for LA, for example, is always on Tuesdays in this year, and it's always starting at 9 o'clock. So I'm always going to start the class about 10 minutes early, just so kids can get in there and chat a little bit in the chat bar and get all their yayas out before class starts. Okay, so you're simply going to have created a fake meeting for this example. You're simply going to click below actions. Now you will have a little button that looks like this. So a little square button with an arrow on it, and you're going to hit that, and it's launching your meeting. Then you will see if you are in the correct time and the meeting has already started, or should start 10 minutes before the actual time, which is 9 a.m. for LA. You will hit the enter meeting room button. It will be blue. Okay, so then you get this asking you, how do you want to join with microphone or listen only? I always recommend that kids join with a microphone if possible. That for those that are slower typers, it means they can turn their microphone on to ask a question, and it might be a little bit easier. So you would hit microphone, and you might have to hit the allow button, and it gives you an echo test, and I can hear an echo. So then I click yes. Now, my view might be a little bit different than your child's. However, participants are here. Chat bar is here, so they should tick on the chat bar, and then down here they will be able to type a message in there. And usually when they come in, they say hi or whatever, and just let me know that they're in, and they can talk to each other. And this is also the best place for them to ask me questions. If they can't type fast enough, or they really have a pressing question, they can click on this microphone button here, which allows them to talk to me. So usually it will look like this and be muted, but they will need to unmute it. As well, there are times when they want to show me something or show the class something, and then they can click on their webcam here, and this will come up, and you can see the webcam comes up, and then their faces will show up here from their webcam and be able to be seen by everybody. And usually they all line up on the top if there's a lot of them. So I allow them to do this at the beginning of the class, and also if they want to show something. Some kids show art or their pets or whatever. If we have those kind of days, it just helps us to be a little bit more interactive. And that's it. I get them to turn that off, the webcam off when we're starting class, so that the screen is actually bigger. And if I share the screen, they will be able to see what the class is going through at the moment. So there's always some information there that they can look at. So once this is finished, if I were to hit start recording, for example, this is going to create a excuse me, a 2-second recording. Then at the end of it, when I hit exit through this, so here you can end the meeting at the top right. There's 3 little buttons. Excuse me. And the meeting is then ended. Excuse me. Oh, terrible to make a video like this. Now this fake meeting in a few minutes will go down to the bottom of the page where it says recorded meeting. And there you can then watch it by hitting preview. And you have to hit this one at first, but this is the one with the picture on it. So welcome to LA Online for Tuesday, September 29th. I am recording. All right, so there you go. That's exactly what it looks like. I hope this helps.